Hello everyone, I am back with another video about my design on the internal screen. So I have had to, spend some time on this particular screen because this is one of those screens where the user might spend most of his time because this is the place where you're going to see the most details about a particular single reel. And I thought it would be a very simple screen where there is a set of data. I'll just structure that data, but there was more to it in terms of understanding what the user will be expecting. So instead of just showing a small picture, it would be better and more familiar for the user to see a real like dimension there, and very small things that make a user feel at home. We were trying to mimic a lot of the small interactions there, and we did want them to be able to pick things up quickly. We wanted it to be on point, show whatever was the most important to the user first, and then let them explore and go about looking at other things, but still maintain a hierarchy that they expect already. Yeah, I'll just show it to you now. So this is the internal screen. You come to the screen after clicking on a reel, particular single reel. So here on this screen, we started with a lot of ambition. So we wanted to have our Instagram description followed by a map with all the pins on it. So all the locations that we get from the reel, we were hoping to pin it on the map. And then we would have a circuit map, maybe list all the hashtags and locations. So that was a plan, but then we got a little realistic. We understood what was that the user was looking for actually. Do we need all of this? And then what was everything going to cost us? How can we optimize cost and value for the user? So we realized that maybe we don't want the map here in the app, and the circuit map can remain because it's something that I really wanted to do for us, because I would love to have a circuit map that tells me where to go first, where to go last, what would be the most optimized route for this entire trip of 5 spots. So we thought that we'll do something simpler and nicer, where you'll have a video description, an Instagram description, and video analysis, and your featured locations. Any location that is mentioned in reel will be listed below, like this, and you'll have a circuit map. So the circuit map will take you to the Google Map screen, and the Google Maps that'll open on clicking the circuit map will have all these locations listed as stops. So you can adjust all of that according to your choice. You can move around and play along with all those stops as you usually do on Google Maps. And yeah, that's about it. We are letting the user copy the Instagram description here. So this is one thing that I'm really excited about, because there's a lot of times people mention a lot of important links and some routines and something that I would love to copy and keep it for myself, but then I have to take a screenshot, run OCR and stuff. So I this is one more reason I'm going to use Trott. So I hope you guys found some value in this, and let's meet in the next one. Thanks. Bye bye.
See you later. Take care.